Hey guys, Connor from MSA 4X4. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to change a lock and handle on our MSA drawers. Firstly, I'll turn the drawer around and show you how to take the backing panel off first. So to take this backing plate off, we've got 6 bolts on the back here, 4 at the top and 2 on the bottom. Now that we've removed the back panel from the inside of the drawer, we've got 13 bolts to remove the handle from the lock plate. We've got 4 bolts down the bottom that you may have to drill an access hole. You've also got a wire to cut. In the next step, we need to remove the handle housing from the front box panel. To do that, you'll need to apply upward pressure on the lock tongue and pull up and out on the housing. Just something to be mindful of. When removing the lock housing, be careful to not lose the lock tongue as there'll be spring pressure pushing it down. So to remove the handle from the housing, you'll need a spanner and an Allen key to remove these 2 bolts here. To reinstall the handle into the handle housing, simply place the handle in and reinstall with the 2 nuts and bolts that you previously removed. Something to note when tightening the handle back into the housing, please make sure these nuts are not too tight where the handle will get crushed against the plastics. Also make sure that the nuts are tight enough where the handle will not drop down by itself. You'll know it's right when there's a nice constant tension when opening and closing the handle. Once you're happy with the tension of the handle, you can now install the handle housing back into the front of the drawer. To do this, you'll need to apply upward pressure on the tongue, slide the top of the housing in first and follow through with the bottom. Once you have installed the handle housing back into the front of the drawer, you'll need to feed the wire through the holes at the top of the housing and reinstall all 13 bolts. After the 13 bolts are tightened, you'll be required to rejoin and solder the wire. The last step will be put the back panel in place and reinstall and tighten with the 6 bolts previously removed.